Health and Well-being. Making the Most of Nature. Source, New Scientist. By visualgk.com. A growing body of epidemiological evidence indicates that greater exposure to, or contact with, natural environments, such as parks, woodlands and beaches, is associated with better health and well-being. While the quantity and quality of evidence varies across outcomes, living in greener areas is associated with lower probabilities of cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes, asthma, mental distress, and ultimately mortality among adults, and lower risks of obesity and myopia in children. Six tips for making the most of nature. Take your time. The health benefits of being in nature kick in after about 2 hours a week, according to a study of almost 20,000 people. Longer than that is better still, up to a total of around 5 hours. After which, the gains plateau. Make it count. It doesn't matter whether time in wild spaces is taken in one go, or broken up into little chunks during the week. One study found that individual chunks should be at least 10 minutes, if you do decide to spread it out over several days. Make a connection. The advantages of being outdoors are particularly strong if you feel connected to nature. So find ways to engage with it, whether that is by gardening, photographing the changing seasons, or spotting birds and wildlife. Wrap up warm. Studies show that the mental health benefits apply not just in the summer, but in winter too, when many of us need it most. So keep that connection going all year. Don't force it. Research finds that people experiencing depression and anxiety feel better when they spend time in nature. But it has to be their choice. When these people felt social pressure to visit nature, they were less happy and more anxious about the outing. So engage in nature in ways that suit you, and avoid pressuring others into it. Quality over quantity. The specific qualities of green space seem to be more important than how big the space is. Two qualities in particular have been shown to reduce stress: spaces that act as a safe refuge, for instance spaces enclosed by vegetation, and those that really feel like nature. Try seeking out these kinds of places. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com